I see. I saw. Hello everyone, I'm Amelia. In this video, we'll practice 20 verbs in the present and past tense. I'll read the red one. You will read the blue one. Then I'll read the answer. Let's begin. I go. I went. I come. I came. I eat. I ate. I drink. I drank. I see. I saw. I make. I made. I take. I took. I gave. I gave. I get. I got. I have. I had. I say. I said. I like. I liked. I want. I wanted. I leave. I left. I meet. I met. I read. I read. I write. I wrote. I sit. I sat. I stand. I stood. I feel. I felt. Well done! We have practiced 20 verbs in the present and past tense. How many did you get right? Tell me in the comments.